WMS has improved our operation in every facet of the warehouse. The explosion of our SKU count drove us to choose a WMS to run our warehouse operation. We had a really hard time keeping track of everything and keeping it all organized. It was imperative that we were able to organize our warehouse and keep track of everything that we had down to the code date and quantity and storage location. So with Encompass, we were able to organize everything and know where everything is located. Time is money, and being able to get to what we need when we need it without wasting the time has been a very big benefit.
Encompass has made my job a lot easier. Using the iPad, you could see the bins and the dates of the bins. The difference before we used Encompass, we used an RF gun and you couldn't see right on the spot what's going on, what you're off.
It's affected our bottom line in the fact that it makes all of our employees more productive. They spend next to no time looking for products.
Before Encompass, we were here pretty late, but now it's shaved off quite a few hours. I think it just makes it a lot easier for these guys because there's so much product going through this place and they're picking so much product. It makes it really easy for them to grab what they need, how much they need, without making too many mistakes.
It tells the pickers where to go as far as location, what product to grab, how much to grab. It cuts our job pretty much in half.
They carry on them an iPod, which is very affordable. They have a Bluetooth headset, same headset a truck driver would use, so it's perfect for the fit. The only time we ever have a problem is when a human makes a mistake and doesn't share it, and it requires somebody from my department to get involved. I can find out anything I need to find out. Our previous solution, not so much. Now with Encompass, we have so much more we can do with the solution now.
The ability to track our backstock has been huge. The second thing that has been very critical for us has been the directed replenishment. So the directed replenishment allows us to let the system tell us how much it thinks we need to put on the pick line for a particular night. When our replenishers are directed to replenish that pick line, they don't waste any time looking for product. The system directs them to its location in the warehouse. They pull it out of our backstock, they put it on the pick line. It has allowed us to train new employees much faster than before. We're able to bring in an employee who is totally new to the beverage industry, has never worked in a warehouse before.
We get them through a week of training, and by the end of the week, they pretty much have it all down. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just need to listen to the lady in your ear, listen to what she tells you to do, and that's it. It tells me where I'm at throughout my night compared to these guys.
Our ability to train and move people from one job position to another, because once they learn how to use the Encompass mobile interface for the WMS, it's a very similar interface between the different job types.
We've been to some other distributors and I know that they don't have this, and there is beer all over. When you ask them, they can't give you an answer how much of the product they got.
The visibility you have with the product, the visibility you have with anything, you can follow that case of beer, you can find out what's going wrong. Proper training, you can help yourself. You're not a slave to contacting your vendor saying, I have a problem, can you help me? That's stressful. That's bad business. That's not good structure. So yeah, I would definitely recommend Encompass to other customers.
If you're looking for a system that is flexible, that can be tweaked to run similarly to how you run your warehouse, I think Encompass has one of the more flexible WMSs on the market today. With Encompass, everything that every employee in the warehouse does is recorded by the system. And if you dive down into that data, you can use it to put your labor where you really need it.